God. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I think I missed about 3 seconds or something. Oh. I don't know why I keep looking that way, but I think the camera's here, so. Oh, now I know why. Because I put my camera up horizontal instead of vertical. My camera's on this side now and not at the top. Now get finished. I am still sneezing every day. It's just that I don't have time to record them. Because I'm so busy with other things, especially with the pups. Yeah, as you all know, we've had puppies and we keep in contact with the owners. We go visit them, they come and visit us. We make videos from. I have a group on Facebook. All the photos and videos are uploaded. So I enjoy watching that as well. And since pups have gone, I've been busy doing the garden and things like that. And so sorry, folks, if I've not been sneezing very much. Oh, not recording my sneezing very much. Well, I think my sneezing's finished. Yeah. Okay, folks. I think it's finished. Love you all. Bye. Peace.